You're not winning, and deep down you know it. You wake up every day thinking, why am I still stuck here? Is it the world? Is it bad luck? Let me tell you right now, it's not the circumstances, and it's not fate. It's you. You're standing in your own way. The hard truth is, if you're not where you want to be, it's because you're not doing what needs to be done. Winning isn't something you stumble upon. Winning is earned every single day through relentless discipline and an unwavering mindset. But here's the thing. 2025 can be your year. You can flip the script, take control, and start winning. The question is, will you? Or will you keep making excuses? Because excuses don't get results. They don't build legacies. They don't change lives. So let's get one thing straight. You have everything you need to win. It's not a lack of talent, knowledge, or resources. It's a lack of execution, and that ends today. Let me ask you something. How many hours do you waste each week? Be honest. Scrolling, binge-watching, procrastinating? That's time you'll never get back. Stolen moments that could have propelled you closer to greatness. Winners and losers both have the same 24 hours in a day. The difference? Winners don't waste them. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. The problem is, most of you quit when things get hard. You start strong, full of enthusiasm, and the moment discomfort kicks in, you pull back. That's why you're not winning. Winners thrive in discomfort. They know that every challenge, every struggle, is building the foundation for success. You're not losing because you're incapable. You're losing because you're not willing to push past your limits. Think about your goals for 2025. What are they? To be healthier, wealthier, happier? Write them down, right now. Because without a clear vision, you're just drifting. But here's the catch. A goal without action is a wish, and wishes don't come true without work. So let's create a plan. Break your goals into actionable steps. Do something every single day, no matter how small, to bring yourself closer to your vision. It's time to stop blaming and start owning. Stop blaming the economy, the people around you, or your circumstances. Take accountability for everything in your life. Winners don't look for pity, they look for solutions. If something isn't working, fix it. If you don't have the skills, learn them. If you're tired, rest, but don't stop. Growth isn't comfortable, but comfort is where dreams go to die. Now, let's talk about your environment. Are you surrounded by people who challenge you, push you, and inspire you? Or are you surrounded by negativity and mediocrity? If you want to win, you need to protect your energy. Cut out the toxic influences and surround yourself with people who believe in you and demand the best from you. Your circle will make or break you, so choose wisely. And let me be clear, winning isn't about perfection. It's not about never falling. It's about getting back up every single time you do. Champions fail, but they refuse to stay down. What about you? Are you ready to stand up, dust yourself off, and keep fighting? Here's what you're going to do. Starting today, you're going to eliminate one bad habit that's been holding you back. Just one. Maybe it's hitting snooze every morning, skipping workouts, or wasting time on distractions. Replace that habit with something productive. Then do it again tomorrow. Small changes create big momentum. 2025 can be the year you win, but only if you're willing to pay the price. Winning demands sacrifice. It demands waking up earlier, working harder, and staying consistent even when you don't feel like it. It demands saying no to instant gratification and yes to the grind. You're not losing because you're incapable. You're losing because you haven't committed. The great news? It's not too late. You have time, but time is running out. The decisions you make today will define where you are 12 months from now. So make the choice. Stay where you are or rise to your potential. You've got this. The only question left is, how bad do you want it? Because if you want it badly enough, nothing can stop you. Not fear, not failure, not excuses. 2025 is yours for the taking, but it starts now. Get up, lock in, Let's win this. Your time is now. Your moment is here. No more waiting, no more excuses. Let's get to work. The future is watching. Don't let it down.